Here's how to download Twitter/X videos to your gallery on iPhone. So in this short tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can download videos from Twitter or X directly to your Photos app. So make sure you stick around till the end to exactly know what to do. First step, just basically open up X or Twitter. And here, as you can see, I got a plenty of videos right over here, but I'm just gonna choose this random video of this animal right over here. And what you're gonna do is just basically press on the share icon right next to the video in the corner of it, and you just gotta copy the link. Once you copy the link, just basically go to your Google Chrome, and right over here I've already searched Twitter videos download, or you can just search up sstwitter.com, and right over here you just gotta go ahead and press on it, and here you're just gonna paste in the link that you copied, and then just press download. Once you do this, it's just gonna take a while to prepare, and here you go. Now you can just select like if you want to download it on 720 or 480 or 320. So I'm just gonna waste no time and download it on 320. If you want to download on 720, you can just go ahead and press, but you gotta watch the ad for it. But let's just press on 320, and here, as you can see, it's on my files. I'm just gonna press save, and here we go. Once I press open in, I'm just gonna print open in downloads. And here, as you can see, I have the video right over here, and I can just video due to copyright issues. It has some music in it, but I can directly send it to my gallery now. So yeah, this is exactly it on how you can download Twitter/X videos to your gallery or photos on iPhone. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.